Hello everyone, this is Raji. Today we will learn about SQL aliases. The SQL aliases are used to give a table or a column in a table a temporary name. Aliases are often used to make column names more readable. An alias only exists for the duration of that query. An alias is created with the as keyword. So let us see with some examples. Here I have selected customer tables from Northwind dataset. Here customer name, let us replace this column name with customer name. So to give the temporary name, we have to type select. We have to mention the column name we want to replace with new name. So I want to replace company name. I want to replace as, so we have to use as keyword to replace with a new name. I want to rename it with customer name. From we have to select the table dbo.customers. Now let us execute this statement. So this company name column is changed into customer name column. So this is the syntax to use as keyword. So let us create now two aliases. Let us select the tables, columns here. For customer ID, let us replace this with ID and company name as customer. For that we have to do simply select customer ID as, simply let us give ID, comma, company name as customer. So these are selected from, we have to give the table name dbo.customers. Click enter. So now let us execute the statement. So now the customer ID column should be changed to ID, company name should be changed into customers. See, it is changed as required. For example, if it requires double quotation marks or square brackets if the alias name contains space. For example, here if you want to give company name as customer name, customer space name, in this conditions you have to give double quotation or like this we have to give the brackets. We have to give square brackets. So now let us execute this statement. So here we have customer name, space name. So let us see another example. If you want to combine 4 columns, so here what I do is, I will combine address and city column, address, city and country column, and add this three to a single column separated by comma. So understood? What I do is, I will give a column a name and add this address city, combine these three columns address city and country separated by comma. So let me show you with example. Select company name, comma, ADDRE address as address plus I want to separate this with comma plus I want to add city separated by comma plus I want to add country as ADDRES from dbo.customers. So this is the syntax. Company name. This is correct syntax only. I don't know why the error is coming. Comma address plus city plus country. So we are getting invalid column name address ADDRES. Now let us see the aliases for table names. Select star from dbo.customers, comma dbo.orders. So here what we do is So here let us see with this example. Select orders dot order ID, comma, orders dot order date, comma, customers dot customer name, company name, customer dot company name from dbo dot customers, comma, dbo dot orders. So order ID, order date, and company name. Here let us give the condition where customers dot company name equal to around the horn and customers dot company name equal to orders dot customer ID. Execute. So it should give the output where the customer company name is around the horn. The horn. So we are not getting the output. So let us execute again. No, I have given the space. So I will explain this in next videos. So this is all about the aliases in SQL. Thank you.